everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Beavers, and I do beauty and mental health content. So if you're interested and if you like some of my videos, go ahead and subscribe. I'd love for you to join me on this YouTube journey. Like, it's fun. It's fun. Okay, but so today I wanted to do a quick skincare one-on-one video of 5 tips to help avoid dry skin in the winter, because I've had to figure these out because my skin has been so dry. Like here, it's just been a mess. It's been a mess. Like my skin, I'm not the happiest with it. So here are 5 tips to go ahead and avoid dry skin. Okay, so the first thing you really want to do is to make sure you're making moisturizing your skin a part of your daily skincare routine. So that is even soon as you step out of the shower. I personally like to use an oil mixture that I make, or a body butter mixture, lotion, anything like that, just to kind of, while your skin is moist and the pores are open, to just go ahead and like try to suck in that moisture. Just grab it. So the second thing that you want to do is to develop skin-friendly bathing habits. So one thing that's really hard for me that I had to work on is making sure your showers aren't so hot. Like, the hot showers dry out your skin. So I try to, stick between, warm and hot. And not like that screeching hot with the steam popping, because that's the best shower, but it's not good for your skin. So yeah, and also try to stick to like 10-minute showers. I feel like you can achieve everything in 10 minutes, except when you wash your hair. But that's a whole nother story, right? Okay. So in the winter, one thing that you really want to make sure you do is avoid harsh chemicals on your skin. And that can even include like apple cider vinegar. I know that bentonite clay, or the Aztec clay, is very popular, and people use it with apple cider vinegar. But that is really drying out your skin. So if you are doing that, try to stick to maybe once a month or every 2 weeks or something like that, especially in the winter. Okay, so number 4 is to drink plenty of water. I know in the winter people always like, you're not sweating and dehydrated you don't feel dehydrated, but your skin can get dehydrated, you can get dehydrated. So just assuring that you're drinking a lot of water. I really like to add ginger to my water. I really like to add mango to my water, just to kind of like add some flavor. I love like crisp, fruity drinks like all year round. Okay, and 5th, but last but not least, is dressing appropriately for the weather. So, assuring that you're having gloves on your hands, because that's really harsh, and that's one thing I have to work on, walking to campus and stuff, is like putting gloves on. Moisturizing your hands and then putting those gloves on really protects you. You hear that? That is the sound of hands that don't wear gloves. You don't be like this. Don't be like this. I'm telling you how to not be like this. Okay? But yeah, turtlenecks covering up your face. You can use scarves and different things like that. I always try to wear a hood and a hat. Cover up my face. It's cold out here in Ohio. Okay? Ooh. Okay, let me stop. But yeah, so those are my 5 tips that I think really do help avoid dry skin in the winter time. And if you all like the 5 tips, go ahead and thumbs up the video. And if you like the content that I give, go ahead and give me a big subscribe. I really appreciate if you all joined me on this YouTube journey. It's really fun, and I think it's fun like seeing like the supporters grow as well as seeing me grow. It's all around just like a really great experience, and I appreciate everyone so much. Like I always say, please make your self-care a lifestyle and enjoy this Wednesday. Like, it's Wednesday, it's hump day, like, but we gonna get through it. We gonna get through hump day, okay? All right, so have a good one, y'all. Bye, and thanks for watching.